Hi families, welcome back to yoga. Today we are going to be practicing with some farm animal shapes. So you might remember downward dog or the cat and the cow, and we'll add some more familiar friends into our practice today. Let's start with our hands together, find our beat. Hello, hello, hello and namaste. 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 Namaste, everyone. Let's come onto our backs as we start to come into our first animal at the farm. Now I'll add some clues for each animal and you can guess what we're doing. So this animal likes to roll around in the mud. Rolling around in the mud helps to cool them off. You can rock side to side. Have you guessed what it is? We're a piggy. A pig rolling around in the mud. Shake your head. Then bring yourself to roll up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Come all the way up now, my friends. And come onto your hands and knees. Now, lots of animals have 4 legs, so let's try to guess what this one is going to be. With your hands down, start to kick one leg back and then the other. One leg back, then the other. This animal is known for its little kicks, and sometimes it even does big kicks. Let's try that. Let's try some big kicks together. Have you guessed what it is yet? And little kicks again. We're a donkey. Hee-haw, hee-haw. The donkey kicks. Back, back. Good job. Take a break off your hands. Shake off your hands. And let's get ready to be our next 4-legged animal. Lift your knees, look back at your toes. This one's pretty familiar. Downward facing dog. Ruff, ruff. Stretch your legs, bend your knees. Look back at your toes, walking your dog. The dog has lots of jobs at the farm. Come on back down to your knees. Now let's be an animal that has only 2 legs. So we'll stand up. Put your feet out wide, hands together. Bend your knees. This animal has some feathers and it lays eggs. You are a chicken. Low to the ground, really low. You can move your arms, maybe stretch your feathers. And then we'll take a big stretch and come into our next big animal. Big, wide, long legs. Put your hands out front. Do you know what it is? A horse, of course. From our horse we can make lots of different shapes. This can be our horsey's head, or this can be our horsey's head. Good. Or we can ride our horse. Let's do the other side. So turn your body, go the other way. Then lift your horse's head way up high And then switch your arms. Bring your horse's head to the other side. Good. Then bring yourself back to the middle. We'll come down again onto our hands and knees. These two animals are not really friends on the farm. Maybe they are. Maybe they hang out together. But they're very unsuspecting friends. So in yoga, we always do them together. One of these animals makes milk to drink. And the other animal can be a friendly pet. You're the cow. And the cat. The cow. And the cat. Good. Lift yourself up. Bring your legs out in front. Feet together. You are a butterfly, fluttering through the sky, moving from flower to flower on the farm. Nice, beautiful sunny day, gentle breeze. Land on a flower, reach your hands forward. And lift yourself back up. Okay, now we're going to do something cool with our breath. You're going to put your thumbs to block your ears. Say something out loud. It should sound like you're underwater if you block your ears gently with your thumbs. And then with your fingers, close your eyes. Then, when you're ready, start to buzz. 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 You are a bumblebee. Flower to flower, helping the fruits and vegetables grow. Thanks for joining me today with this fun practice with our friendly farm animals. Bring your hands together. Slap, clap, slap, clap. Goodbye, 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 and namaste. 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 Namaste, everyone. Have a great day. See you soon.